this kind of Avanti product, which is the Avanti conventional air fryer, are very useful for those having a healthy living, because you can cook here without an oil. Hello guys, welcome back to Lian and Lian family. Today we will teach you how to use the Avanti conventional air fryer. Okay, so this is the product. Now we are going to try how to cook the fries. Yeah. Okay guys, as you can see here, there's a lot of choices that you can use for cooking. We have turbo. You can cook chips, chicken. You can defrost steak, pie, pizza, cake, ferment, bread, cookie, potato, bean, fish, pudding, puff, chicken wings, skewer, popcorn, dried fruits. So that's a lot. So it's very useful. So we can start cooking the fries. It's where's that?
Yeah, we will cook fries.
That's the chips, under chips. Can you zoom? That's under chips.
Press
Okay, so
chips.
let's start. So this is the ready-made fries. You need to use this. So you can put it in here, all of the fries, as many as you can. Cooking of this is takes 30 minutes. It's dependent on how do you want to cook the fries. Sorry. Okay, let's put it all. It's now ready to put it inside. So I'll show you how it's look like inside.
It's like that.
Okay, so we'll start
What do
putting
you
it.
call that? That one?
I don't know what's the name. Let's put it inside.
Dun sa box.
When you purchase
No need
this,
to put oil, guys.
yeah, that is the main.
This is the air fryer.
Okay, that is the main reason of this product. Healthy.
Healthy cooking, guys, because
fries
there's no
without using
oil.
oil. Okay, let's start.
Then
Pressing
you already
the menu.
put it.
You already start up, then press the menu. Find which
You will choose,
the
since we
chips.
are cooking the fries, we will choose the chips.
okay, you have an option for the time. You can set it
You
here.
can set it there.
The fan speed up to 3. So let's make it 3. Then for the time, you can add, you can less that. So let's make it 25 minutes.
See, guys?
You can also change the temperature. That one, see, 240, 250. That is only up to 250. So let's use the 250 maximum one. Okay, it's rotating inside.
Guys, it's rotating. The fries are cooking now. See?
So wait until
No need to.
no need for the oil. Okay guys, so this is the multi-function accessories that you can find inside of the box, inside of the air fryer conventional Avanti. So we have the baking cage. That is the one that we used in cooking the fries.
Fries.
Chicken fork. So you can use it, the whole chicken Then steak cage, we don't use this at the moment. So we have frying pan, steaming rack, skewer rack, food tongue. So these are those multifunction accessories. We did not show the other because it's being used and it's inside of the box.
The box is the product specifications of Avanti conventional air fryer.
This kind of Avanti product, which is the Avanti conventional air fryer, are very useful for those having a healthy living, because you can cook here without an oil. You can cook fries, you can cook chicken without using oil or less oil. So it's very useful for those having a dietary living. Okay, we still have 17 minutes to go. 17 minutes to wait. The following are the healthy convection cooking. One minute more. Let's wait until the end of 1 minute. Let's see how it's look like. Okay, send up. Do not open it yet until the sounds end up. Because it's still blowing the heat. So when you hear the sounds end up, so you can that's the time you can open the fryer. Okay, so it's time to open it. Let's see. So it's look like not yet cooked. It's open now. Okay, for you to get the baking cage, so use the food tongue. So this is how you can use this.
Because
Okay.
it's here, it's hot.
Because it's still hot.
Let's check.
See if I can open it. It's look like
Not yet.
cooked already.
Yeah, it's already cooked, but I want little brownish.
You want to make it more crispy.
Yeah.
Another 5 minutes. Make it sure that you put it properly. Then when you close it, guys, you need to press this. Do not close it forcefully here. Put it down, then it's ready to close.
Another
Okay,
5 minutes.
another 5 minutes. Choose the chips again. Then let's
Why it's
adjust the
25?
let's adjust the timer
5 minutes.
for, let's say, 10 minutes or 5 minutes.
Oh, that's it.
6 minutes. Okay.
Let's wait, guys.
It's look like already cooked. Let's again the tongue.
Crispy.
That's good. You can open it using your fingers. Okay?